elevated train. And one down for the count. Oh, look at this. Oh shit. Careful, careful.
Hands up! Don't shoot! 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 Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Don't shoot! Hands up! Hands up! Don't shoot! Hands up! Don't shoot! Hands up! Don't shoot!
Sorry about that. Be safe, it's pretty slippery. Yep.
Hands up! Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
Control your system.
Don't shoot! 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 Don't shoot!
All the kids, because he can show them. Because he kept putting up his camera over her face and everybody's face.
Shut y'all train down.
Shutting your train down. Shutting our train down. I'm disturbing the people with y'all
But this guy's the one playing me on the ground at the checkers mart and almost broke my hand. And he keeps fucking filming me.
That sucks. You should have attacked. You should not have attacked me.
Nobody attacked you.
Oh, I got it on camera. You gonna sit there and lie to me? Oh, fuck off. Fuck off.
You keep on filming me, bro.
It's America. It's America.
Same problem if you keep doing it.
I ain't trying to start. She say something to me.
She wasn't even have the same problem.
Sorry about that.
Nah, ain't no sorry. You about to get your ass whooped talking all that shit.
Nah, this is family, bro.
Sorry, you guys.
It's our duty to fight for our freedom!
All right.
Okay, so they're not with the protest.
All right.
Okay.
They're not with the bullshit.
Nah. You just want to keep on doing it. Keep on doing it.
Who's that guy think he doing?
This guy.
Yeah, you know what happened to your ass last time.
Oh, yeah, man. I totally remember what happened to my ass last time, man.
You threw me on the
Y'all
ground.
guys, man. And man, it was a fucking party.
Kids whooped your ass.
It was a fucking party, man.
Woo!
It was low-key a party.
That guy hit her in the face.
Oh, yeah, totally. Man, my camera totally lies. Yep.
So yeah,
Yep.
No, that's how you edit it for YouTube, bro.
Oh,
That's
man.
what you did.
I edited your crazy ass into my camera. Ha! Please, lady.
But yet
Please.
the fight was never on
Hey, how old are you? Like what? 16, 17?
21.
21. So you might want to slow your roll.
No, you know what my problem is that people don't want. No, I'm out here publicly recording.
Keep
Look,
up.
no.
Keep it up. I'm
Most of-
sorry. Hey, I'm trying to help him. I'm trying to help him.
It's my right to record.
He's ignorant as fuck. There is no help for him.
Let him be.
It's my right to record. It's my right to record.
Go this way. Hey, y'all kids go this way, please.
Take care.
Kids that way.
It's my right to record.
Right here.
Get it.
Yeah, block this shit off.
The doors are closing.
Give me
Hold your little faggot sack, you stick bitch.
Ho ho! Ho ho ho! Ho ho ho! What you got? What you got?
Train departing. Please hold on.
Check it out. Hey, selfie! 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 Selfie!
Black Lives Matter!
Sorry.
Black Lives Matter!
Be alert.
Check it out. Check it out.
Report suspicious objects.
I am so sorry about this, people. I'm trying to record, and these people just don't like me recording them at all.
What do they have to hide?
Exactly. What they should have nothing to hide. And it's just like it's come on.
No peace! No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace!
You know what? You know what?
No peace!
How about
No
this?
justice! No peace!
I got the train.
No
Huh?
justice! No peace!
Hey.
No justice!
No.
peace!
I know. Can I get off?
No peace!
Can I get off?
No justice!
Can I get
no
off?
peace!
Can I get off the train?
No peace!
Can I get off the train?
No peace! No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! No justice!
I can't get off. I can't get off the train at all.
No justice! No peace!
Can I get off?
No peace!
Can I get off?
No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace!
I don't want to.
No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace!
Can I get off?
No justice!
Can I get off?
No peace!
Can I get off?
No justice!
Can I get
No
off?
peace!
Thank you.
No
Thank you.
justice!
Thank you.
No peace!
Take it off. Thank you.
No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Oh my God. Excuse me. I'm so sorry, people.
The doors are closing. Train departing. Please hold on. In the priority seating area, you are required to move for seniors and people with disabilities.
Okay. Now I see what y'all doing. I was like,
Yeah, I'm trying to record and document their protest, and they want to block my camera from documenting it. So I am trying every which way to document their bullshit at this moment. It is very hilarious.
The doors are closing. Train departing. Please hold on. Rosa Park Station. Doors to my right. Always use crosswalks and look both ways when crossing tracks.
Puertas a mi derecha. Para su seguridad, cruce solo por el área designada para el paso de peatones.
Everyone's disembarking here.
Let's roll.
See you safe, man.
Walk out.
Sorry about that.
Hey! He's right here. Hey, when'd you get off the fucking max, bro?
Too scary. Let's go. Hey. These races have got to go.
Hey, watch out, you guys.
Excuse me, thank you.
These race stops have got to go.
We're gonna be on the next train.
No, you're not running.
He's running.
You're running.
Running from what?
You have
Exactly. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Someone threatened already. That's pretty sad at this point, you know?